Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. Ready to call Timberwood Village home? This highly desirable community is affordable and is centrally located in South Fort Myers with the Southwest FL International Airport and Florida Gulf Coast University just a stone's throw away. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath offers vaulted ceilings which provide an open and airy feeling over the great room while you enjoy the open patio deck beyond the wall of sliders, all while hearing the crackling of the wood-burning fireplace in the great room. The open patio deck offers privacy all while it lets you bask in the Florida sun. Jump in the community pool to cool off, which is just steps away from your front door. Other amenities offered are the community boat ramp with Captain's Walk, perfect for kayaking and canoeing, allowing access to Ostego and Estero Bay and South Florida's world-renowned beaches. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Call today to set up your private showing.